In this video, we're going to look at some quick tips on how to keep your AI e-learning Powerpack up to date and maintained. The first thing you need to look at is updates. So occasionally you'll get plugin updates for this plugin. And if you head via the WordPress dashboard to the updates area, if there is an update to the AI e-learning Powerpack, it would appear in here. And you can simply tick the plugin and update it this way. And that will update it to the latest version. Occasionally, the other thing to look at is the models available. So OpenAI is evolving all the time. So the new models that get released with newer features and they get faster and different models available. So if you head to settings here, the drop down here will have all of the available models that you can choose and use within the plugin. So as new models appear and get released by OpenAI, those will appear and you'll be able to use those for your exercises and interactivities within the AI e-learning Powerpack. So those are two areas that we would advise you to take a look at constantly while using the plugin to make sure that you're up to date and maintained and running the latest versions of the features from OpenAI.